What if your next food adventure started with fermented shrimp paste? Meet Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm, strange to some, beloved by many. It starts with bún, soft white rice noodles. Next, golden fried tofu, crispy on the outside, silky inside. Add pork belly, cha ham, and herbs, a full cast of flavors. But the star? Fermented shrimp paste, mắm tôm. Some love it, some fear it, but no one forgets it. A squeeze of lime, a spoon of sugar, hot oil, then whisk. Dip a piece of tofu, top with noodles, herbs, pork, then dip. The explosion, salty, creamy, funky, fresh. You think it's just a pork patty? Think again. Cha ham is pork wrapped in green rice, sticky, fragrant, and lightly crispy. A chewy surprise and that melts into flavor. This one's not for the faint-hearted. It's called doi sun, crispy pork blood sausage stuffed with cartilage, herbs, and bold seasoning. Crunchy, funky, totally unforgettable. Every flavor explosion needs balance. Enter the herbs: perilla, mint, basil. Cool, crisp, cleansing. Not a side act, but the peacekeepers of your palate. That shrimp paste packs a punch. But guess what? A sip of tra ja, Vietnamese iced tea clears the fog. Cool, earthy, calming. It's like hitting reset. On your taste buds. Sharing or feasting? The small tray fits two. The big one? It's a full-blown street food banquet for six. Either way, it brings people closer, one crispy bite at a time. Best enjoyed in a small, crowded eatery with locals. Some tourists dare the challenge and get addicted. More than food, it's culture, history, and a little bit of courage. Bún Đậu Mắm Tôm, a dish you don't rush. Dare to try it. Vietnam is waiting.